back to our channel.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Gloryfamilylove, a mom of 3 living in Italy. So it's morning and yeah, Princess is having a breakfast. That is a biscuit cake. I don't know how to call it. Yeah, but it's a cake basically made of biscuit, not put in the oven, okay? And yeah, that's Jason.
Hello.
And that's Brian. Brian, say hello, guys. Brian, say hello, guys.
Hello, guys. Look at my motorbike.
Okay, they have seen your motorbike, okay? Please, if you saw Brian motorbike, do leave a comment, okay? He wants to know if you guys really saw his motorbike, okay guys? I don't know. It's just a normal day for us. And yeah, the kids will have their breakfast and then we'll just see what happens, okay? So guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Some of you will be like, you have lipstick on your lips. Are you just waking up, or you just made up to come to the camera? No, I didn't make up. I made up yesterday, but my lipstick is like 24 hours lipstick, and I tried cleaning it up, but it refused to go off, so I had to leave it like this. I tried scrubbing my lips with water, with makeup remover, but still, it was still there. It's past 24 hours. No, I think it's not 24 hours yet. But I have to know it should be 24 hours. Okay, guys. First thing I want to do, I want to clean up my room and the kids' room as well. So stay tuned, okay? So hello guys. Right now I want to make the bed and I'll be seeing you guys in a jiffy, okay? Keep watching. First I'll make a bed and then I'll go to the kids' room to make their bed, okay? I hope you guys are seeing me properly because I'm using my back camera. I want to try because I heard that the back camera has the best quality and I usually use my front camera. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. Keep watching. with this. I'm done with the kids' room and my room, as you guys can see. It's okay, Brian. Don't mind the noise, guys. So I'm gonna go take the kids' shower, but I will not be taking you guys there because, you know, if they are not gonna stress me, because the last time I tried, it fell inside water. That's why I had to clean it. I'm going to go take their shower and take them out in a bit, but first they are going to be taking lunch before we go out. They are not going to be going out this morning, so I'll be showing you guys everything all along. Keep watching and stay tuned. Clean your mouth and continue. Water. Clean your mouth, your mouth. Yeah, brush. Wash your tongue. Up. You do it like this. Up and down. So guys, we are done taking our shower and I want to take a little bit of lesson before they have their lunch. So I gave Jason mathematics and Brian has his ABC to read. So when you finish counting it, keep watching guys, okay? So when you keep counting, count it together and write the answer here.
Okay.
I just feel like crying right now. My phone ran out of space, guys, and you can see what the kids are doing. I hope you guys are hearing me. I don't know. I have no idea how to use this camera. I guess I need to learn it because I'm having issues with my phone concerning space lately, and I guess I'm going to be using it a lot these days. The thing is kind of cutting me off. I don't know, guys, pardon me. I feel like crying right now because I was filming with my phone and I thought I was filming. I didn't know that the video ended and I was just talking and the kids were solving, Jesse was solving his maths, and I really feel like crying. I don't know. When I thought everything was on camera and I didn't know that it ended because I was filming with my back camera today. I said, let me try it out, and I can see that it's really nice, but it's kind of hectic for me. So next time I might be filming with my front camera. Okay guys, this is the maths Jason solved. This is what he did. It's kind of rough, of corrections here and there, and he said 10. We have to make correction here and there because he's trying to get used to it, and I'm trying to, you know, because he's really not in school yet, and I'm doing a lot of homeschooling, and sometimes I feel like that's why you guys don't usually see me a lot on YouTube, and sometimes I feel bad that I cannot support my fellow content creator like the way I used to be doing. For example, Jesse, please, I'm filming. For example, my people who do live stream and watch upload videos, I'm trying to mix up with their videos. I'm not as early as before. I'm not as constant in some live stream as before. You guys, just know that it's not intentional, because apart from this, I have to teach my kids as well how to speak Italian, and I'm with no help, guys. We don't have anyone yet coming over to teach them. The little I know, I teach them, and I also learn online. I usually do not have a lot of time on my hand because the little time I have, I used to learn Italian, and after learning I try to teach him as well, give him some lectures, and I don't also forget the English lectures, how to count in English, what some words are in English, because I really noticed that when kids start learning another language, it's hard for them to catch up with English. I'm struggling with all of these, guys. So if you're not seeing me often in your videos, sometimes I try to check up some people who I know are constant with me. Please, it's not intentional. Sometimes when I see that the video has been uploaded for days before I go there, I really do feel bad, but please, this is what I can do. I don't want to get depressed over trying to watch videos and trying to meet up with my life. If any of you cannot meet up in watching my videos as well, don't feel bad, I don't feel anything, because I know that a lot of people have their life, everyone have a life after YouTube, and during this pandemic, a lot of people have been going through one thing or the other, and I know that it's not easy. So I don't expect anything from anybody. I do not expect any support or anything whatsoever. So if a support comes, it comes like a surprise to me. So that's what I try to do. So please, for those of you who might have been thinking Glory is not often, Glory is not watching me, I'm trying. If you have my number on my social media platform, you can as well send it to me on Instagram. I will not click on the link, I will go check you out. I will just type your name and try to search you, okay? Please, I know a lot of you do understand, okay? But I'm not saying this so you can watch my video why I don't watch yours, okay? I want you to know that if I don't visit you or you don't visit me, I don't feel anything. And if you don't visit me as well, I don't feel anything, because I know there are 1,000 you guys, all my fellow content creators, and you guys are doing a lot. You guys are trying, especially those who meet up and watching people. Kudos to you guys, kudos. But for now, I can no longer meet up with it as often. I'm trying my best whenever I have time. I try to visit a lot, as much as I can. Okay, so right now you can see I'm all alone with the kids. When hubby comes, it even gets worse, because then I'm rushing to quickly prepare something, or maybe I prepare something before he comes back, and the kids start disturbing me a lot. When hubby comes, they start shouting, and I'm just together. And you guys, so see you in a jiffy. I'm going to make noodles for them now. Indomie chicken noodles. I'm going to make for them now before we go out to the playground. I don't know what the time is. See, I will quickly go make dinner. Then we'll quickly go make lunch. Then we'll go out. Okay. See you guys in a jiffy. So guys, they just finished eating. Jason's plate is clean. That's Brian and Princess. They are all done eating. I'll go dress up my hair. I'm not going to be putting on any makeup. And see you guys when we go out of the house, okay? See you in the playground. Brian, so see you guys.
See you guys.
So see you later.
See you later.
Hello guys, so right now we are in the streets. That's Jason. Jason, say hello.
Hello.
We are on our way to the playground, and I've been trying to set the camera. I finally got it. I don't know how it looks over there. Yeah, so We are going. That's the kids in the wagon. Brian, say hello. Princess, where are you? Say hello, Princess.
Mommy,
you guys, we'll see when we go to the playground. When we get to the playground, okay? See you guys in a bit. Yeah, let's go, guys.
Mommy. Come.
Look here, Jay. So we are at the playground. The camera is more clearer in this side, and yeah, coming out with the kids sometimes is the best thing. If not, I will just go crazy in the house. Jason, be careful. And Princess, say hello. Hello guys. She wants to take the camera from mommy. Come on. Clingy baby. Say hello, mommy. Okay, go and play, okay? She wants the camera. So that's it. I'll just leave them to go sit right there. I'll sit there, or the other parts, I don't know. So I can just watch them play a little bit for up to an hour before I go. I want them to get tired, so when they get home they'll just go straight to, what is it? Come on, Princess, come. I'm trying to call my husband because I haven't called him since. You can't believe. So, I'm trying to call him.
Bye, guys.
Okay, guys. So, guys, we are going home. Brian was being naughty and we had to go home. Look at him. His brother is angry at him too. Me, myself, I'm angry at him, guys.
No.
Yes, I'm pissed with him. I'm pissed with Brian.
Brian, don't worry.
And he's the one.
We make children come.
Okay. He even has mucus in his nose.
Ah.
Right, Brian? You're such a naughty boy.
I'll see make out for you, okay?
So guys, this is what we're having for dinner. Hey guys, my antenna, what is it called? My SD card is full again, and my camera is low. I'm gonna see you guys on my next one. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'm really grateful. I promise I'm not gonna give up no matter what. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Sorry for the noise. I'm going to take this to the end, and I also need